The speaker, Hamdan Mohammed Kamil, will be discussing his research titled Boost Security DB, a new vulnerability scanning tool for online SQL databases.
Good morning, everyone. I am I am very
كاين بوطون من قدام هو فاص
okay. I am Mohammed Kamil Hamdan. First of all, I am very happy to join this conference, IAM'24. I come from Constantine. Exactly, I am from Teacher Training College of Constantine. I am also permanent research in laboratory. Okay, today we'll talk about Boost Security Database, a new vulnerability scanning tools for online SQL databases. The field of this work in cyber security. Okay. This presentation will take some important points. First of all, we talk about introduction, program statement, proposed solutions, and implementation process of Boost Security. We talk also about testing of Boost Security database, and I will finish by conclusions and future work. In today's introduction, word protecting sensitive data in database is crucial due to rising threat of cyber attack. Organization implement robust security measures and conduct ongoing research to enhance SQL database security and protect sensitive data from cyber attacks. What's cyber security? We make just some points concerning our domain. Cybersecurity is the practice of safeguarding computer systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, attacks, and damage through the implementation of protective measures and technologies. In cybersecurity, we have two sides. We have cyber defense and we have attack defense. Concerning cyber defense emphasizes a comprehensive set of practice, strategies, and technology for continuous monitoring, detecting, and response to protect computer systems from emerging threats. Concerning offensive cybersecurity, offensive measures into a proactive search for vulnerability in system, network, and application to uncover the weakness before they can be exploited by malicious actors. We have three techniques employed in this side. We have boundaries, we have penetration testing, and vulnerability assessments. Concerning data security vulnerability are weakness or faults in the design, implementation, or configuration of a system that can be exploited by malicious actors to gain unauthorized access or cause damage. Vulnerabilities can exist in software, hardware, or even within organizational processes. Inside databases security trade, we find some vulnerability. For example, weak authentication, inside threat, SQL injection, human error, denial of service, DOS, malware, etc. For example, if we take SQL injection, we find some famous classification of SQL injection. So the question here, how can an organization efficiently enhance the security of their online data in the face of increasing cyber attack? This is the first question. The second, how can we make cybersecurity tools easy to use from no specialist? This is very, very important issues. Like actually, cybersecurity, we need some more skills in order to master the technology. Okay. In this work, we try to give cybersecurity tools to no specialist user. Okay. In order to go in this goal, we suggest cybersecurity tools called Boost Security Database, daily for database, scanning tool for online SQL databases. Why Boost? That means enhanced speed and accuracy compared to traditional tools. These tools must be characterized by user-friendly graphical interface and efficient to identify the famous vulnerability in website using databases. For that, we have used several technology. First of all, we have used the famous operating system Linux, named Kali Linux. Is the first one operating system in offensive cybersecurity, and we have used the tool SQLmap and Rapid Scan. Okay, in order to propose our tool, we have two choices. First of all, we have developed our proper tools with zero-line code in the start, or we take some tools like SQLmap and Rapid Scan and try to mix them in one tool in order to make our proper tool. Okay, and because SQLmap and Rapid Scan is developed with Python language, we have also used this language to develop our tool. This is the first line code of our tools. We have the main interface. We don't work directly with the terminal of Linux. We have created some friendly interface, just simple interface. Okay, this is the main interface of Boost Security. Then we have developed the user guide of these tools, of our tools. We have developed more than 1,300 codes of source link in Python language to release Boost Security. The code is available in my page in GitHub website. You can find all the code there. In order to testing our tools, we have made some experience with our tools in order to show the feasibility of our code. Donc, first of all, we are bringing Boost Security Database on a live website, vulnweb.com. It's a standard example of a PHP application that is intentionally vulnerable to web attack, and is usually used by trainers to check vulnerabilities. In order to extract database name, we can use other tools by this line of code of Python. We give just the URL of the code, and we click on check, and we launch our tool. In the response we have here the name of the database. In order to extract table from database and the gadget config of database, we also make the same with the same way. We give the link of the database, and we specify what we will looking for. And in our in result, we have some reports that describe the information we need about the website. In review, Boost Security Database differ from SQL Map by providing a user-friendly graphical interface and simplified reports on URL vulnerabilities. These reports include details like the name of checks, enrolled test, discovered vulnerability, and scan time, making it accessible to no specialist. Unlike SQL Map, which focus on extracting database information like user password, in a technical format suite for cybersecurity expert, Boost Security DB also lists database security structures, table and column, and in phases usability and clear reporting. Additionally, SQL Map supports advanced techniques like Google Docking. As conclusion, the security database is a user-friendly tool designed to identify vulnerability websites using databases, helping non-specialist users improve cybersecurity skills. This particular tool, called in Python, features a graphical interface and outward other similar tools. Future improvements for Boost Security could include expanding support to web site beyond PHP and local database, enhancing the tool to find sensitive information in database tables such as password and email, because password and email in general are scripted inside online database. Future expansion needs for NoSQL system, developing new tools like a new NoSQL map to identify vulnerability in NoSQL databases. Okay, thank you for your attention.
شكرا. Thank you for that presentation. We will pass out to Christian.
Thank you for the presentation.
You're welcome.
My first question is related to the types of vulnerability that your system can detect. Can your system detect all the types of vulnerabilities, such as universal disease, skin injection, and so on? And in the positive case, what are the correct information and in which way they can be processed in order to make a decision for reinforcing the security of the system?
Okay, thank you for the question. First of all, our tool is a new version of SQL Map. SQL Map is focused in SQL injection. Okay, SQL injection attack. We just focus it in this attack. We're not sure if, for example, DDoS or DOS attack. Okay. Second, the advantage here is how to give a simple response. SQL Map and Rapid Scan is very powerful tools. Okay, in order to define vulnerability. The problem is in technical detail about these reports. Here we just try to minimize the number of vulnerability, to give a short report that can in parentheses, any server user can take or can read this report. Okay.
Correct information.
Correct. Yes.
When you have vulnerability.
We have, for example, the number of checks. We have certain tested. For example, what's the size of the database? For example, what's the default in programming in the structure of the database? Okay. We have some classification of checklist points. Checklist. We have checklist points in order to verify.
Okay. Are there any questions or reflections?
My question is not about your Your work is great. Lord,
Okay, thank you.
try to make user-friendly application. My question is about the SQL map.
Yeah.
About when you said you can extract the tables and the columns. Do you have to provide the password, or is the tool that tests without password?
Okay. 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 SQL map, it works simply. What is the input of the SQL map? We have the URL. I would like to check some weakness in the programming of the website. Yeah, I give to do SQL map the URL, and we will make some checklist test about this website. In return, we give us the detailed reports about the weakness. Okay, I didn't give anything in the SQL map. The problem we have with, for example, password and email, that is created inside database. Okay, when the programmer is develop a database online and they save information about password. Okay, it's called sensitive data. Generally, it's encrypted. The SQL map, yes, we have a password in the database, but it's encrypted. What's the method encrypted? We don't have. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. If there are no more questions, we thank you once again.
Okay, thank you.
So we move on to the next presentation.
Thank you.